We are in Marco Island at the annual conference for the Florida Engineering Society.
FES is a chapter in a larger nationwide organization called the National Society of Professional Engineers.
FICE is the Florida Institute of Consulting Engineers, and basically engineering companies join FICE. And our mission is to promote and look out for and defend the business of engineering.
We come together once a year, not only for networking, but just to meet about the business of FES, the different things that we're doing.
The Florida Engineering Society is different than some of the other ones because it brings together all different types of engineering. That's one of the most valuable things about this, is that you get to know people who you may not have known before, and then that way when you need someone to be a sub or to help you with a project or something, you know who to call.
You get to have those informal conversations that allow you to build relationships, build trust, get to know each other, and really understand what's important to each other, so that when you're trying to build relationships for business purposes, you have a little bit of a foot in the door.
Well, the conference brings everybody together, all the engineers throughout the state of Florida, all the members of the Florida Engineering Society. It brings together many of the Florida Institute of Consulting Engineers member firms. Many of the vendors and suppliers and sponsors are here also.
Engineers are such a big part of our business that this is an opportunity for us to support the associations, the Florida Engineering Society and FICE, and it works for both of us, I think.
Obviously, opportunity for networking, but there's also education Friday afternoons.
Yeah, it's an opportunity to recognize people's hard work. I think that's very important to keep our society alive and engaged. Also, it's an opportunity to reach out to our students. That's a very important part of the future of our society.
I think that the focus on the K through 12 and math counts and all of these things that this FES Society does, that's one of the things that really drew me in, because I recognize that this society was dedicated to bringing up future engineers. Because at the end of the day, the future of engineering is not just what we're doing here today, it's about the ones who are going to come after us.
Our profession is one of the noble professions, and one that we do what we do for the benefit and the betterment of our communities, of our country, of mankind in general. And I've taken that as my own personal creed too. And I'm not sure it would have happened had I not been a member of this society.